Bro Salah, sorry for your loss. Abeg, I fit ask you small question?
Kubala, abeg, leave me. I no fit answer any questions now.
Neni, abeg, I fit ask you small question?
Wetin be your question?
First of all, sorry for your loss. Take heart. Una play really well.
Abeg, comot for here, Joe. Who tell you say I dey cry because I no win AFCON? We get 7 AFCONs for Egypt. Say we no carry this one, no dey pay me.
Wetin make you come dey cry?
I dey cry because very soon I go soon go join them for that Arsenal wey no get hope for any trophy this season.
But at least una get fighting chance for top 4 this season.
Which fighting chance? If we say Europa League, na miracle.
Based on say una no even see Conference League go last season, at least Europa League go be better achievement now.
Abeg, comot for my front, Joe. E better say I no waste my leg go that dirty Conference League. I thought say I suppose dey tell that one. Any trophy na better trophy for them.
Bros Manny, congratulations on top una AFCON tournament win.
Thank you, Kubala. This trophy dey sweet me pass sugar and honey combined.
Wetin make am sweet like that for you?
Now wow, you don't start with this your mumu questions again. You know see all the obstacles wey we pass through before we carry am. This year, Oga Omicron abi na Delta Cron no gree us start the tournament with our full squad.
You mean coronavirus?
You wey be journalist, so you no know say the corona blood don plenty now. Even Megatron don join them.
I no know.
That means you no sabi your work now. Na only mumu questions you sabi ask. So as I been dey talk, even as we reach this finals, Salah go carry penalty expo give him goalkeeper so that him go catch all our penalty.
You dey serious?
Now.
How?
You know see the expo wey dem print for am for paper, take am plaster for him water bottle? You know say their keeper follow all our PK apart from one? But when Baba God talk say e don reach your turn to carry trophy, no Egyptian fake will stop you. And moreover, how you wan take beat 2 Lions consecutively? Even if you be the great Pharaoh of Egypt, if indomitable Lions no chop you, the Teranga Lions go chop your father.